National Weather Service in Gray has issued a flood warning for the Androscoggin River and Gorham from this evening until late tonight. At 5 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 7.9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 8.0 feet by this evening. The river will fall below flood stage tonight. Impact at 8.0 feet. Parking lot at MR. Pizza starts to flood.